We're continuing to follow this developing story. Over 50 inmates from the Monroe County Jail are being released. 8 are classified as sex offenders. The state's Department of Corrections ordered the release of low-level technical parole violators over COVID-19 concerns. Sabrina Maggiore has this story.
That's right, Jack. We do know that some of the inmates released from the Monroe County Jail are staying at the Holiday Inn Express in Greece, something Greece's chief of police, Patrick Fallon, has criticized.
It doesn't make any sense. I mean, if you can present an argument to me that makes sense, I'm always willing to listen, but this doesn't make any sense.
Patrick Fallon is the Greece chief of police, and he's voicing concern. 51 Monroe County inmates were released from jail yesterday after the state's Department of Corrections and Community Supervision, or DOCCS, was ordered to release low-level technical parole violators.
So you have a violent criminal that's done time in state prison who's been given the chance of parole and not followed the conditions of their parole. That's who you're talking about right now.
9 Monroe County inmates have been released from jail and are staying here at the Holiday Inn Express in Greece. Among those staying at the hotel are 4 registered sex offenders, 3 of whom are registered as level 3 sex offenders and are deemed by New York courts as the most likely to reoffend.
That's right at the edge of a neighborhood. The Codefista neighborhood, it's a couple hundred feet from a school. So we're doing community notifications, but once again, we weren't told by anyone. Parole, sheriff's office, nobody.
Fallon says for safety reasons, he wanted to be notified.
Well, I think good practice would be that if you're going to release nine convicted felons, some of them very violent, some of them registered level 3 sex offenders, which is the highest level, if you're going to release that 9 of those people into someone's community, you might want to give law enforcement a heads up.
DOCCS says the decision to release inmates was made in part because of the rapid spread of COVID-19 in local jails.
I mean, you can have the philosophical argument as to whether or not it's a good idea to release people from jail because of a virus. But once again, it doesn't make sense to me in a jail where you have no cases of the virus. What is the danger to anyone? They don't have the virus in the jail. There's 0 cases. No one has it. No one is sick in the jail.
Now, we reached out to DOCCS for a response to Chief Fallon's concerns. In a statement, they told us that they have the public health of New Yorkers in mind. Again, they say they've made the decision about who would be released based on the technical violation, not the underlying crime. For News 8, I'm Sabrina Maggiore. Back to you, Jack.
All right, Sabrina, thank you. And the